Hi students, let us continue the chapter integration. Exercise 8.7 we are going to start. For doing these problems, we have 7 standard integrals. By using those formulas, we are going to solve these problems. Look at these questions. Integral x square minus 16. Integral 1 by x square minus 16 dx. This can be written as 4 square dx. So it looks like, here I am writing the formula, 1 by x square minus a square dx. Standard integration, standard integral we are using 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. We can write that. Okay. So by using this, here we have to remember one thing. Always the coefficient of x square should be 1. Here x square coefficient is 1. There is no problem. So 1 by 2a. What is the value of a here? 4 square. That means 4 we will have log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So that equal to 1 by 8 log mod x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus c. That is the answer. Therefore, simple, if you know the formula, it is easy. 1 by 8 log mod x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus c. Okay? So you should be able to memorize the formulas. Second one, integral 1 by 9 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by 9 means, can I write 3 square minus x square dx. So it looks like 1 by a square minus x square dx. 1 by a square minus x square dx, that is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. By using this formula, x square coefficient is 1, there is no problem. So 1 by 2a, a means what? 3 log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. 1 by 6 log mod 3 plus x by 3 minus x plus c. Therefore, integral 1 by 9 minus x square dx equal to 1 by 6 log mod 3 plus x by 3 minus x plus c. That is the second one. Okay. So by using first two problems can be done by using these two standard integrals. First one is integral 1 by x square minus a square. Second one is 1 by a square minus x square. Okay. Third one we will see. Third one, look at third one. Third and fourth, again two more standard integrals. Those are, first one is integral dx upon square root of 1 minus x square equal to, it looks like integral 1 by root a square minus x square dx equal to sine inverse of x by a. This is the formula. Sine inverse of x by a. Similarly, integral 1 by this can be a square plus x square or x square plus a square, no problem. This can be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Last problem can be done by using this formula. So this can be sine inverse of x by a means what do you have here? 1. So plus c, that is equal to sine inverse of x plus c. Therefore integral dx upon root 1 minus x square equal to sine inverse of x plus c. Next one, last one, integral dx by x square plus 16 equal to integral dx by x square plus 16 can be written as 4 square. So it looks like 1 by a square plus x square, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a means 4. That's all. Therefore integral 1 by x square plus 16 dx equal to 1 by 4 tan inverse of x by 4 plus. Clear? So we have completed 4 problems by using 4 standard integrals, right? 3 more we have that will be used in the next problems. Hope it is clear. Thank you.